Alright, so in this video I wanted to make a form in HTML and style it in CSS. So let's start. Alright, let's start by making a div which is gonna make a form. I'm already hoping you guys know a little bit about form in HTML. So just make the form and we're gonna do the label. First name, and we're going to do the input, and input should be type text, ID, first name, and all these will be in here. I'll be live previewing this. Alright, type text, ID, and we're going to do placeholder. Put your name here, right? See? Easy, right? So you're going to do we're going to do for first name. So the label is for this input, and we're going to copy and paste. We're going to do L name, meaning last name, L name. We can do first name here and last name here, just a simple form like this. And we're going to do a select input. But before that, let's do the label for it. And label, and we can say, I don't know, school, or yeah, school. simple school. We're going to do select. In select, we can put ID school, right? We can do that, ID school, and name is also school. And option, inside option, there's just, this is the first, sorry, not like this is the first option. We can do, I don't know, let's call it US school. I don't know, just something, I don't know. Let's do another one. UK school, right? And let's do another one. Asian school. Let's do another one. I don't know. Let's skip it. Let's just skip it like that. Let's see where it is. So US school, UK school, Asian school, right? So pretty much we can put value. You gotta put value over here, but I'm just here to style the main thing. But let's just say US and value UK and value Asia, right? Pretty much, and we can do a submit button too. Input, type, submit, value, submit. Alright, that's how you do the form, right? Simple form. And now let's style it. I think I have the CSS for it here. CSS. Let's style it, right? Alright, so let's start with the input and the select, right? So let's input type text. I did put text, right? Let me check it. Okay. Type, right? Text. It's like saying get the input that has the type text, right? ACLECT select. And also comma select. Like we're also going to take the select and style it. Let's do width 100%. Just so you know what 100% does, it's just making these inputs 100% width. Let's do padding now. 12 pixel top and bottom and 12 pixel left and right. 12 pixel top and bottom left and right. Margin 8 pixel, or no, let's do 10 margin. Yeah, we can also do rather than 12. I want to do 1.5 m and 0.8 m. Let's do it with m. Let's see, right? 10. Let's do 0.7 m and 0 left and right. All right. Let's give it a border. Ow. Sorry guys. Border 1 pixel solid hashtag CSS. Okay. It's putting it's a really simple style. So yeah. With the border, let's do the border radius. Radius for 5 pixel. Right, 5 pixel. Box sizing. Let's do the box sizing, right? Box sizing border box, right? So it gets rid of this whatever the thing was. It was like overflowing the page, so we just cleared it out with the box sizing border box. This makes easier to count the padding and margin. Alright, let's do the submit this time. We're gonna do the same thing. God damn it. Let's see if DMIT submit. Alright, submit. Alright, this width is gonna be 100% again. So we are starting this one right now. Width and background color. Let's do, I don't know, like let's do salmon. Nah, it's ugly. It's really ugly. Let's do fire print. I love this. No. Hot pink, maybe? Alright, keep it hot pink. Let's or we can also do tan. I like tan. Alright. Let's do 10. Let's not change it anymore. Background with the background color. Let's the color. Let's do 3 color. This color, or we can do 2 to make it a little bit darker. And we can do padding. Top and bottom 1 m and 1.5 m, maybe. Alright. Kind of looks good for me. Border, we're gonna get rid of the border because that just looks ugly right now. Yeah, it's kinda looking nice right now. Border radius, we're gonna do 5 pixel again. And let's also do a cursor, like wait, cursor pointer right here. And now look at this pointer. Let's do a hover. Yes, let's do the hover. HOVER. Background color. Khaki. Yes, let's see. Alright, that looks alright for me at least. Let's do a font size 1M. Right. Actually, font size 1em. It just looks better to me. And font family. I don't know. Cambria? No, it doesn't look good. No, let's just do Arial. Wait, what happened right here? Yeah, it just looks a little bit better, you know. Alright, let's do div this time. Let's take up the div, and we're gonna give it a border. No, let's give it a background color first of F2. Alright, it's getting the shape. Let's add a padding 1.8 m. Kind of loading. No, alright, let's do 2.5 m. Looks better. Looks better. And border radius 5 pixel. Again, 5 pixel. So that's kind of it, guys. Like that's kind of it. I don't know. Should I do like, let's see, text align center? Just putting the text right there, and let's do label text align center. Hold on. I don't know. Why isn't it working? Alright, we're on a mission to fix it right now. You see the input, right? Or we can just click this out and I don't know. Okay, so if we do div and text align, everything gets it aligning, and we can just do the same thing over here, and you know, just a better look, better. It's not going to do anything because we don't have PHP or Node to make it an active form, but that's about it, guys. Like, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is my first CSS video, actually, just styling a simple form. And thank you. Thanks for watching.